Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Megabox HD application to your Fire Stick or Android TV. It's an amazing app that allows you to watch newest movies as well as TV shows online and totally for free. And they got loads of movies in here, probably even more than Netflix. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact movies available in the app. But in your case, of course, it's not going to be blurry. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get that app to your device. First of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it totally for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, you just go to search on your device, and there in the search bar, we'll need to start entering Downloader. And now, as you can see, it already popped out for us at the bottom, so there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. Let's click on Downloader, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still need to set it up. So in order to actually set up Downloader, we'll have to go to the settings by clicking on that button with the gear icon. Then you have to scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it. And from here, you'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So, if that's the case, and you are unable to find the developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's actually easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you'll have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now at the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have appeared for us right here. Let's open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging. Then you have to go to install unknown apps. From here, just locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now, finally, we got to go to the list of apps on your device right here. We open it and there you'll find Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using the loader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Germany right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video, or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So now let's go and open up Downloader application on your Fire TV. Wait until it loads for you. Then on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home and not on Browser. So after clicking Home, such a search bar is going to appear in where we have to enter a link, which is going to be Mega Box HD.com. So here you go, there's the link, you can see it on your screen right now, Make sure to enter the link exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make any mistake, then your link is not going to work. After that, you'll have to click on go, and while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about flower sticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and this way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now, after the web page has loaded, all you have to do is click on that download for Android button, and now in a couple of moments the download is going to start. Then you have to click on install and wait until Megabox HD gets installed to your Fire Stick or Android TV. And then after the install was finished, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way we'll have an option to delete the installation files, as we don't need them anymore on your device. So we click on delete and then delete once again. This way we get rid of unnecessary files from your Fire Stick and save yourself some free space on your device. Then we'll have to go to the settings once again. Open settings, go to My Fire TV, to developer options, install unknown apps, and now we have to turn that option for Megabox HD as well. It's a must because it's going to download a media player to your device when you are going to watch any movie or TV shows via this application. And now finally we can go to the list of apps on your device right here, and there's the Megabox HD which we just downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way Megabox HD is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time needed. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.